wanted to know how to make a cup of tea that you can enjoy guilt-free? Then you have come to the right place. In today's video, I shall be making Gud Ki Chai or Jaggery Tea. Well, this one tastes superb, almost same as the one we make with sugar. But this one is healthy as well. So why not try this out? Also, I'll be adding ginger and cardamoms to this tea to make it even more flavorful. So keep watching.
To make 2 cups of jaggery tea, I have taken 2 cardamoms, 2 teaspoons of jaggery powder, fresh organic jaggery powder, and this is 1 inch of ginger, fresh ginger which has been washed and peeled, and this is 1 teaspoon of tea powder. And here I have taken 3 cups of water. I have taken measurement in this cup, so 3 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. So let's get started. So I'll add the water to the saucepan. So here I have taken the 3 cups of water and I'm boiling the water. As it starts boiling, I'll put the cardamom pods in it. I'll open them and put them. And I'll also add the freshly peeled and washed 1 inch of ginger. So what I'll do is I'll grate it. Grated ginger to it. Next, I'll add jaggery to it. And the tea powder. And put it on the high flame and let it boil first. Once it starts boiling, I put it on simmer. We'll let it boil on simmer for 1 minute. Now it has been 1 minute, so I'll add the milk. After adding the milk, we'll let it boil on high flame. Once it boils, we'll put it on simmer and we'll wait for 2-3 minutes. Color of tea will change, so we'll wait for that. Our tea is now ready, so let's pour them into cups and enjoy it with biscuits or